In this video, we're going to talk about Algorand taking over. It's up 19% today. Algorand taking over arrived in Miami, Florida. Algorand takeover. They are also listening to things what the Mayor Francis is talking about, being involved in really high impactful meetings. And in Algorand takeover, they already releasing other news that's going to help Algorand explode. They all about changing the game. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Algorand, I love Algorand. I love what it stands for. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more hidden gems, for more information about Algorand and other cryptocurrency, digital assets. It's going to help your bank account and help your brand. I'm not a financial advisor. I just love sharing things with you. Now, if you don't know about Algorand, it's the future of finance. The future of finance. That's what they label as. They are a simple creation of the next generation with financial products, protocol, and exchange of value. But the big news right now, they are in Miami. There is Mayor Francis right there, and there's other members of this because Algorand is in Miami. Absolutely, some big things happening down there with Bitcoin and other different type of businesses. Algorand is around this, absolutely. And of course, the huge announcement, of course, that Mayor Francis was talking about the borderless capital. A $400 million fund is moving their headquarters to Miami and launching a $25 million Miami fund. And one person announced this: Algo equals Dwayne Wade, Ethereum equals Hero Miner, Algorand equals Mark Clayton. That's funny. That's funny. Ethereum equals Ted Ginn Jr. This is a little bit athletics, basketball, and football analysis here. I thought this was really funny. So then I saw this yesterday. Exodus announced that its common stock tokens, Exit, was $Exit, will be released on Algorand. That is big news. That is good news. More detailed on the recent news right there. I'm telling you, one person said $3 Algorand. Man, I'm saying Algorand is going to go up 5, then it's going to go to 8, then it's going to go up to $10. That's what I think. Algorand, $3 is being conservative, in my opinion, with a low market cap, with a low total supply and max supply, and with the use cases and what they label as the future of finance. And then they already down in Miami discussing things already, being involved, the partnerships and relationships. I just think this is big. I think this is going to go up to between $5 and $10. That's what I think. That's what I believe in. So this is big news with Exodus. I think you should go ahead and read this article. Bitcoin wallets, Exodus to tokenize 75 million in company stock on Algorand. On Algorand. That is big news. Now, one more thing I want to show you as well is this. Is that announced they will leverage, which is MAPA Corp, or MayPay Corp, MayPay Corp, my bad, announced they will leverage the Algorand blockchain to transfer the healthcare system in Bermuda, including $800 million in payments built on Algorand. MAPay's or MyPay's payment solution will improve efficiency and greatly reduce healthcare costs. So look at this. This is big too for the healthcare system. Every day, Algo news get better and better, and I would agree with that. I'm going to go ahead and like that because every day it does. I'm telling you, Algorand is one of those projects that not only changing the game, but they also making things easier for companies. Look at this for the healthcare system in Bermuda. That's big time things. So in my opinion, I think Algorand has so much room to grow. It's only $1.12. It got as high as, let's see what the highest it's gotten. The all-time high was $3.28. I laugh at that. $3.28. Man, in a bull run, in a high effective bull run, that's $6 to about $10, in my opinion. That's gonna go $6 to $10. That's gonna eat up that all-time high. They've got a growing market cap. They have a good max supply, total supply. They've got good relationships with the future of finance, with the technology research, and some of their use cases with the ecosystem. The ecosystem is big. The ecosystem overview is fantastic. You get all these technical, financial infrastructure, and ecosystem applications. And then in the fact that they're in Miami. They're in Miami with this big meetup. You got people tweeting about it and talking about it already. And the city of the mayor, he's all about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. He's all about this. So he definitely wants to get even more involved in this. That's why I believe Bitcoin and Algorand and other cryptocurrencies and digital assets are going to do very, very well. It's because they're open-minded and they're really willing to really, talk and meet up and change the game and help people's lives and help people's companies. And this right here, I know I talked about it before. This is big. And this is at the beginning of more great things, not only with Algorand, with things just changing things for the better. Things for the better. People so excited about it. And then I look back here with this announcement here. MayPay leverage Algorand to transform Bermuda's healthcare system, including $800 million in payments. So that's big time news. That is big news for there. Algorand gets better and better every day. And then I look at the Twitter page, it's growing. It's 104,000, over 104,000. It's growing every day. They're based out of Boston, but they're having businesses all over the world. That's what it basically wants to stand for. Miami, will you marry me? Algorand. That's very funny. All right, my price prediction of Algorand is basically, at first I had a conservative about $3 to $4, but then after some more news and information that I'm gathering by doing research, I think this thing is between $6 and $10. And I think north of $6, I think bullish, $10. $10, baby. $10. And I'm telling you, $10. I feel like this is based off the research, based off the use cases, the ecosystem, the future of finance, and the fact there's so much room to grow. To me, $1 is undervalued. It's undervalued. It's undervalued at this price because of what it's trying to solve and with the partnerships they're doing in Miami and other places. I just think this is, and plus with the Exodus announcement, big time. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. For more information going to help grow your bank account, strategies, and methods that can really help you in terms of getting that research and education about this space and other things as well, and help grow your brand. I got information on that as well. All right, I'll see you on the next video. I've got a really cool video. More information going to come out that's going to help you balance off your portfolio. Just information. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm this person that likes to share info to you. I will see you on the next video.